welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, today we're gonna show you how you can make yourself some nice, lovely burger at home. First thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna marinate it. I got 350 grams of minced meat right here, and this is a proper lean part of the beef. Very expensive piece, but you need to go through that details with that, guys. But really good. But anyway, first thing what we're gonna do is do this, which is very easy and simple. Half of a white onion, and some spring onion, also we're gonna put some seasoning in it that you guys can see the different kind of seasoning which I'm using. Half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of beef season, and a pinch of everyday season. Nice one. And all you need to do, give it a little twist like this. Get all of the flavor in it. Lovely and nice. So we're gonna make some burger now. By simple, shift up in your hand like this. Not. You do that and so as I can see exactly what I'm doing right here, guys. They're gonna come out really wonderful. Yes, so as I can see, I just flatten them out, guys. Really nice. So when they cook, they will shrink and come up back together. So as I can see the way how I normally I just did them. So they finished. So now we're gonna put them in the oven for roughly about 25 to 30 minutes. Gas mark 7 or 8 is good for it. Alright. So hopefully guys will like the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. As you can see, I just flap them out, guys, because I know that they will shrink and come back together. So you can normally do them like this. Alright. So hopefully you guys will like the recipe. As we said, this is some beef burger, homemade one, really nice. So enjoy it and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. 25 minutes to 30 minutes inside of the oven. Gas mark 9 or 8 is good. If you're using a different kind of oven, 175 is really good for the 25 to 30 minutes. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely. I just take them from the oven, guys. As you can see, natural homemade burger. Nothing inside of them, just natural season. Just some season and some homemade season and some fresh season. But look at this now. We're gonna put some. We're gonna lay a few cheese on it like this. Just like that. In the oven, 4 to 5 minutes. Make the cheese just melt. Nice and lovely. So cheese is melt off, ready to serve. Look at this now. This is the part of the amazing part of the recipe is now. Look at this now, guys. Nice and lovely. So right here is the bread. And basically, just like this. Nice and lovely. And there's another one. And that's the way it goes. Simple. That's the way it goes right here, guys. Beautiful recipe. Oh man, this is fantastic. So hopefully guys will enjoy the recipe and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe like this coming on for you. This is some fresh homemade burger. No flour, no other stuff inside of it. It's just homemade natural ingredients and a little bit of homemade seasoning. So guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out. As you can see, amazing recipe, beef burger, homemade, from Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.